Hi, I'm Rebecca Wilson, creator of Wilbecks Easy Notes and Music Readers Formula. Today I want to show you a flashcard game invented by 7-year-old Elijah. It's so impressive watching him play this game. Elijah began piano lessons with me when he was 5 years old. For the first year, I used the Easy Notes teacher kit in Elijah's piano lessons for about 5 minutes each lesson, and I got him working through the Wilbecks Easy Notes theory books at home each week for homework. This taught Elijah 4 octaves of notes on the staff and how they connect to the notes on the piano, and enabled him straight away to read and play the music in his piano books. By his 7th piano lesson, he could read and play the music in the treble, and by his 9th lesson, he could read and play the music in bass and treble, both hands. By the time he was 6 years old, Elijah knew really well 31 notes, and he had become a really strong music reader. So let's go and watch Elijah's flashcard game. Okay, hi everyone. This is Elijah, and Elijah's 7. Elijah likes doing this game where we do all the flashcards, but before we start I sneak one out, and then after he's done all of them he has to guess which one we've missed out. So we're going to do that game now. Right, ready, go.
Daddy. Daddy. Airplane. LG.
Nice.
Flies.
So what's the one we left out?
Elephant E or eating E.
Yes. I don't know how you do that. That is so good. Well done. Well done.
I knew it would be one of the
Okay, so we're just shuffling the cards. And we're going to take out 2. Alright, great. Let's go.
Cloud C. Check C. Apple A. Diamond D. Ant A. Fly F. Air A. Aeroplane A. Eating E. Boy B. Girl G. Duck D. Grown up G. Explorer E. Field F. Bug B. Dodge D. Egg E. Football F. Gumbo G. Bunny B. Dog D. Frog F. Calf C. Eating E. Oh, elephant E. Fan cat C. Balloon B. ICC. Dad D. The missing ones are Mountain Goat G and and cat C.
Oh my goodness. Yay! That's so
哇，
cool.
当星星
That's so cool.
Look at that.
Wow. Okay, well, we're going to try 3 now. So we're shuffling. Elijah says when they do 3, he usually gets 1 wrong, so we'll just see how we go.
So now we're taking out 3.
Uh-huh.
I don't even know what's
No.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Go. Xing Xing.
Apple A. Fly F.
So many notes. Okay, so what are your 3? Or do you want to...
Grown up G, balloon B, and gumboot G.
Ooh, let's see. Good boy, have a look. You got 2 out of 3 right. Yeah.
So like what he said.
Yeah, just like what you said. You
Yeah.
usually get 1 wrong. That's really cool though. Okay, great. By the way, Elijah says that the way he does it is he thinks of all the Easy Notes characters, starting from the bottom C note and working his way to the top. And that helps him to identify which note or notes are missing. I think all beginner students can easily learn all those notes and become strong music readers just like Elijah. It just depends on the way we teach them. If you want to find out how I create my beginner students into strong music readers, you can check out my free course at musicreadersformula.com. When you watch the course, you'll see how you can do this with your beginner students too. It's so great. And if you want to check out what I use to create those strong music readers, you can check out the Wilbecks Easy Notes books and the Easy Notes Teacher Kit at wilbecks.com. Thanks for watching this video, and let's create strong music readers.